In this video, we're going to show you how to make these beautiful sweet orange cold processed soap bars, complete with fresh citrus scent and diagonal layered design. Let's get started. Before we begin mixing anything, it's really important to prep properly. Make sure all the ingredients are pre-weighed, ready to go. In a heat-proof jug, carefully add your water, then slowly add your sodium hydroxide to the water while gently stirring. Stir until the lyol is fully dissolved, then place it somewhere safe to cool down. Next, in a heat-proof bowl, combine your olive oil, coconut oil and palm oil. Gently heat over a low temperature until everything is fully melted and smooth. Once melted, remove the heat and allow the oils to cool. When both your oils and lyol solution is cooled to around 32 to 40 degrees Celsius, you're ready to combine them. Carefully pour the lyol solution into the oils, pouring it down the shaft of your stick blender or over a spatula to help reduce air bubbles. Using short bursts of your stick blender, alternate between blending and gently stirring until you reach a light trace. You'll know when you're there when you drizzle the batter across the top and it leaves a faint line before slowly sinking back in. Now it's time to add that gorgeous citrus scent. Add your sweet orange fragrance oil to the batter and stir thoroughly. Be careful not to overblend here. We want to keep the batter fluid for colouring and pouring. Pour half the soap batter into a clean jug. In one jug, add titanium dioxide and blend until smooth. In the other jug, add orange mica powder and blend until evenly dispersed. Here's a helpful tip. Pre-mix your colourants with a small amount of oil before adding them into the batter. This prevents clumping and gives you a smoother, more even colour. To create that diagonal layered effect, prop your mould roughly 45 degrees angles using something small underneath the one end. Start by pouring the orange batter in the corner, letting it flow diagonally towards the opposite corner. Continue until all the orange batter has been added. Gently pour the white batter on top. Once the soap has reached the top angled corner, carefully lay the mould flat and continue pouring until the mould is filled. This creates the beautiful layered design. For that extra citrus touch, place dried orange slices along the top of the loaf. Not only do they look stunning, but they will also guide you when cutting the bars later. We used 8 slices, but you can adjust depending on how thick you'd like your soap bars to be. Place your mould in a temperature-controlled room and leave undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, the soap will begin to firm up. Once the loaf is firmed enough, carefully remove it from the mould and cut into bars. If it still feels too soft, simply leave for another 12 to 24 hours before cutting. Place your soaps on a tray in a dry, well-ventilated space and allow them to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. After the full curing period, your sweet orange soap bars are ready to use. You'll have this beautifully balanced bar with fresh citrus scent and a vibrant diagonal design, perfect for gifting, selling or keeping for yourself. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more soap making videos.